Manually setting the date and time on the Galaxy S24 allows you to customize your device's clock settings, especially useful when automatic updates don't align with your preferences or time zone needs. Let's get started. First, tap the Home button to return to your home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top and tap the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select General Management. Next, tap on Date and Time. Here you'll need to turn off the automatic date and time option. Disabling this setting allows you to manually adjust the date and time. To change the time, tap Set Time. For example, if you like to have your clock run 10 minutes ahead to stay on schedule, you can adjust it accordingly. Set the desired time, then tap Done to save the changes. Your clock is now updated. This trick can help ensure you're always on time for meetings, appointments, or catching the bus. Once you're finished, tap the back button to return to the Settings menu, or tap the Home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.